Hello, this is Nathan with Rise Vision Support, and today I'm going to show you how to add Canva to your presentations in Rise Vision. First, we're going to start by clicking Add Presentation, and we can just type the word Canva in the search box here, and we'll have our Canva Full Screen presentation there ready for us. I'll click it and choose Start with this template, and it'll open up in our editor view. Next, click on the base component, and you'll want to choose Connect to Canva. This will open up a dialog window asking you to log in. Once you log in, click Allow, and your Rise Vision will be connected to your Canva. From the three-dot menu where it says Canva Design, choose Change File. You'll then see a list of all of the Canva files on your Canva account. I'm going to choose one, and since it isn't a slideshow, I'm going to choose to just import this file as is. If you'd like to import a slideshow as a video, just click this toggle switch that allows you to import as video. Once you choose that option, it'll convert your design and place it directly in your presentation. Once it's there, just hit publish at the top right and you'll be ready to go.